here we go. We got homework number 3. This is multiplying polynomials from January 29th, Monday. 10 problems. Here we go. So for this one here, I've got 7. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a box. That's 7 times negative 5x minus 8. So for this box, it's 7 times negative 5, which is negative 35 times x. And then 7 times negative 8, so 7 times negative 8 would be negative 56. So negative 35x minus 56. Number 2, you probably are comfortable enough with this one to just double distribute like this. So negative 4 times x would be negative 4x. Negative 4 times 1 would be negative 4. Number 3, got 2x. I'm going to put this one in a box again to model that. Times negative 2x minus 3. So 2x times negative 2x, 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. X times x is x squared. And then I've got 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and then x. So my answer is negative 4x squared minus 6x. For these guys that just have one row, it's pretty easy. We'll start adding some stuff now that we've got 2 binomials. So these are really done best in a box. So you got 2x plus 2, 6x plus 1. All right, so let's go ahead and multiply these guys out. I've got 2x times 6x. So 2 times 6 is 12. X times x is x squared. For this one, it's the first row times the first column. So 2x times 1 is 2x. Down here, I've got 2 times 6x. 2 times 6 is 12 times x. And finally, 2 times 1 is 2. So now I have to do a little bit more math. So for this one, it's going to be 12x squared to start. I've got 2x terms. I'm going to add these guys together. So 12x plus 2x would be 14x. And then plus 2. Number 5. A little bit simpler. We've got x minus 3, 6x minus 2. In case you're wondering, it doesn't matter which one goes on top and which one goes to the side. You'll come up with the same answer. So for this one, I've got x times 6x. That's 6x squared. X times negative 2. Negative 2x. Now I've got negative 3 times 6x. Negative 3 times 6 is negative 18 times x. And then negative 3 times negative 2. Negative times a negative is positive. 2 times 3 is 6. Coming up with our answer, I start off with 6x squared. I'm going to combine like terms here on my diagonal. So negative 18x minus 2x would be negative 20x. And then plus 6. Number 6. Again, these binomials, it's great to do a box with them. So here, I'll change it up. I'll put 8x minus 2 here, 6x plus 2 down the side. Again, it doesn't matter which one goes on top and which one goes on the side. So for our first box, we've got 8x times 6x. 8 times 6 is 48. X times x is x squared. And then I've got 6x times negative 2. 6 times negative 2 is negative 12x. Now I've got 2 times 8x. 2 times 8 is 16 times x. And then finally, 2 times negative 2 would be negative 4. Combining our like terms, we've got 48x squared. Now combining like terms, 16x minus 12x would be 4x. And then minus 4. Number 7, this is the same thing as 4x minus 1 times 4x minus 1, because it's squared. So again, I've got 2 binomials. I'm going to make a nice square, or rectangle as this one's turning out to be. And we're going to multiply. So I got 4x times 4x. 4 times 4 is 16. Change the color so it's a little bit clearer. So 4 times 4 is 16. X times x is x squared. And then I got 4x times negative 1. That'd be negative 4x. Negative 1 times 4x, again, is negative 4x. For my last term, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Combining my like terms, I've got 16x squared. Adding across my diagonal here, negative 4, that'd be negative 8x, and then plus 1. Number 8, set up my box. 7x minus 6, 5x plus 6. So for this one, for my first box, I got 5x times 7x. 5 times 7 is 35. X times x is x squared. And then I've got 5x times negative 6. That'd be negative 30x. 6 times 7x is 42x. And then 6 times negative 6 is negative 36. Writing out our answers, we're going to combine like terms. So I got 35x squared. Then I got 42 minus 30. That'd be 12x. And then minus 36. Number 9. Set up my square. I'm going to change it up. Put 6x plus 3 down the side. 6x minus 4 up top. And it doesn't matter what goes where. And my top corner, I've got 6x times 6x. 6 times 6 is 36. X times x is x squared. Then 6x times negative 4 is negative 24x. 3 times 6x is 18x. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. So that gives me 36x squared. Combining my x terms, negative 18 minus 24, sorry about that, would be negative 6x, and then negative 12. Last problem, number 10. Why don't you pause that video, see if you can figure this one out, and come back and see if you got it right. Set up your box. And here we go. 6x times 8x is 48x squared. 6x times 1 is 6x. Negative 3 times 8 is negative 24x. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. Combining my like terms, I've got 48x squared. Adding my x is negative 24 plus 6 would be negative 18x, and then minus 3. And that's your homework for 129. Homework number 3, multiplying polynomials.